Are your videos making you money or just getting a few likes? The truth is, if your content isn't bringing in customers, it's not the tool, it's how you use it. HeyGen can change that. It helps you create videos fast, save money, and reach more people. Don't get stuck on small details like backgrounds or avatars. What matters is using this tool to grow your business. That's where the real money is. Now, let's start. First, log into HeyGen. Then click Apps and choose Photo to Video. Upload the photo you want to turn into a talking avatar. Then, type in what you want it to say, or just paste your script. Choose a voice. You can pick from different languages like English, Chinese, or others. Next, select the gestures and facial expressions that match your tone. I went with warm and welcoming. It feels friendly and natural. Once you're happy with everything, click Generate Video and let HeyGen do the magic. Hey, did you enjoy watching this talking avatar? Pretty cool, right? And the best part is, you can make one too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials. I've got more AI tools and creative tips coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.